Most Toyota owners think an oil change is all about replacing old oil with new oil. As long as the correct oil goes in, the job is done. But there's one part of the service that's often overlooked: the oil filter. A quality oil filter does much more than trap dirt. It's designed to maintain proper oil flow, capture contaminants, and support the engine's lubrication system under a wide range of driving conditions. Just as important, it has to be installed correctly. That doesn't mean using the wrong filter will immediately damage your engine. However, using a low-quality filter or making installation mistakes can reduce filtration performance, cause oil leaks, or affect how the lubrication system operates over time. In this video, we'll explain why the oil filter matters, the most common mistakes made during Toyota oil changes, and the simple steps that can help ensure your engine gets the protection it was designed to have. To understand why the oil filter matters, it helps to know what happens after you start your Toyota's engine. As the engine runs, the oil pump draws oil from the oil pan, sends it through the oil filter, and then circulates it to critical components such as the crankshaft, camshafts, timing chain, and, on many Toyota engines, the VVT-i system. The filter's job is to remove dirt, microscopic metal particles, and other contaminants while maintaining proper oil flow. Those contaminants are a normal byproduct of engine operation. Even a well-maintained engine generates tiny metal particles through normal wear, while combustion produces carbon and other deposits that can enter the oil. Without effective filtration, these particles continue circulating through the engine, contributing to wear over time. A quality oil filter is designed to strike a balance between filtration and oil flow. It must capture contaminants efficiently without restricting the amount of oil reaching the engine's moving parts, which is why filters are engineered with specific media and flow characteristics. Toyota engines use both cartridge-style and traditional spin-on oil filters, depending on the model. Although the designs differ, they share the same purpose: supplying clean oil while maintaining consistent lubrication. That's why an oil filter is more than just a replacement part. It's a key component of the engine's lubrication system, and choosing a quality one helps keep your Toyota operating as its engineers intended. Even the best oil filter can't do its job if it isn't installed correctly. In many cases, problems don't come from the filter itself. They come from small mistakes made during the oil change. On many modern Toyota engines with a cartridge-style oil filter, the replacement kit includes not only the paper filter element, but also new rubber O-rings for the filter housing. These seals are designed to be replaced at every service because they compress over time and may no longer seal properly once reused. Reusing old O-rings, installing them incorrectly, or damaging them during installation can lead to oil leaks, some of which are so gradual they may not be noticed until the next service. Another common mistake is tightening the filter housing incorrectly. Toyota specifies a torque value for the housing cap, and using the proper cap wrench and a torque wrench helps achieve the correct seal. Over-tightening can damage the housing or seals, while under-tightening may allow oil to leak. For Toyota models with a traditional spin-on oil filter, the process is different but equally important. The new filter's rubber gasket should be lightly coated with fresh engine oil before installation so it seats properly. The filter should then be tightened according to Toyota's recommended procedure rather than with excessive force. These small details take only a few extra minutes, but help ensure the filter seals correctly, prevent avoidable leaks, and keep the lubrication system operating as designed. Toyota engines have earned a reputation for reliability, but that reliability depends on consistent maintenance and a healthy lubrication system. Many of the technologies that improve performance, fuel economy, and longevity rely on clean engine oil flowing at the correct pressure. A good example is Toyota's variable valve timing with intelligence. This system uses engine oil to help adjust valve timing based on driving conditions. By doing so, it can improve power delivery, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Because it relies on engine oil to operate, keeping that oil clean and maintaining proper oil flow are important for the system to function as intended. Engine oil also lubricates other critical components, including the camshafts, crankshaft bearings, timing chain, and other moving parts that operate under high temperatures and constant friction. As oil circulates, it forms a protective film between these metal surfaces, helping reduce wear and carry heat away from critical components. This is why both oil quality and filtration matter. Clean oil helps minimize the amount of abrasive material circulating through the engine, while a properly functioning filter supports consistent lubrication throughout the oil change interval. No oil filter can prevent normal engine wear, and no single maintenance item guarantees an engine will last hundreds of thousands of miles. But using the correct oil, a quality filter, and following Toyota's recommended service procedures gives your engine the best opportunity to deliver the long-term reliability Toyota is known for. When it's time for an oil change, you'll usually have several filter options. Some are genuine Toyota parts, while others come from aftermarket manufacturers. The key is remembering that the best choice isn't necessarily the least expensive one. It's the one that's built to meet your engine's requirements. A genuine Toyota oil filter is designed specifically for Toyota engines and is manufactured to Toyota's specifications for fit, filtration, and oil flow. Many reputable aftermarket brands also produce high-quality filters that meet or exceed those standards, making them a perfectly good choice when sourced from trusted manufacturers. The challenge is that not every filter on the market is built to the same standard. Two filters may fit the same engine, yet differ in the quality of their filter media, the precision of their internal components, or the materials used for their seals and gaskets. Those differences aren't always visible from the outside, which is why choosing a trusted brand is often more important than simply choosing the lowest price. If your Toyota uses a cartridge-style filter, a quality replacement kit should also include the new O-rings required for installation. Those seals are part of the service and should be replaced along with the filter element. Whether you prefer genuine Toyota parts or a well-established aftermarket brand, the goal is the same. Use a filter that's engineered for your engine, install it correctly, and replace it at the recommended service interval. That's a simple habit that helps keep your Toyota's lubrication system performing as intended. By now, it's clear that a proper oil change involves more than simply pouring in fresh oil. The good news is that avoiding common mistakes doesn't require special tools or expensive upgrades, just attention to a few important details. Start by using the engine oil grade and viscosity recommended for your specific Toyota model. The correct oil works together with the engine's lubrication system and is an essential part of maintaining proper protection. Next, choose a genuine Toyota oil filter or a high-quality aftermarket equivalent from a reputable manufacturer. If your engine uses a cartridge-style filter, replace every O-ring included in the filter kit. For spin-on filters, make sure the gasket is prepared and the filter is installed according to Toyota's recommended procedure. Follow the specified torque values whenever they apply, especially on cartridge filter housings. Tightening components correctly helps ensure a proper seal without damaging the housing or its seals. Finally, after every oil change, start the engine and inspect the filter area and drain plug for any signs of leakage. A quick visual check only takes a minute and can help catch an installation issue before it becomes a larger problem. None of these steps are complicated, but together they help ensure your Toyota's lubrication system performs as designed. Combined with regular oil changes using the correct oil, they're simple habits that support the long-term reliability Toyota vehicles are known for. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more practical Toyota maintenance tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.